What if I told you that ChatGPT, the free version, could look at your students' writing and tell you exactly which skill to teach them next? That's not a future tool. That's something you can do today. And I'm going to show you exactly how. If you teach struggling readers and writers in grades 3 through 8, this video is going to save you hours every single week. Okay, so here's what we're working with. The free version of ChatGPT at chat.openai.com. Nothing to install, nothing to pay for. Inside the writing staircase, I include what I call the AI-powered writing coach. It's a custom prompt I wrote specifically for this framework. All you do is copy it from the Teacher Survival Guide and paste it into ChatGPT, and then answer 3 to 4 questions the AI asks you. Let me show you what that looks like in real time. So the AI is going to ask me to paste in or describe a sample of my student's writing. I'm going to use a quick example, a paragraph from a 4th grader I'll call Marcus. Watch what happens. Look at that. It identified Marcus as a level 2 writer, which in the writing staircase means he's working on sentence structure before he's ready to focus on elaboration. It told me the exact skill to target, and it offered to generate a 10 to 14 minute mini lesson I can use with his small group tomorrow. That lesson took 90 seconds to generate. It follows the exact model, guide, write structure from the framework, which means it's not just a random AI-generated activity. It's structured, it's sequential, and it actually builds the skill. This is what I built the AI coach for, because I know you don't have time to plan 5 different levels of writing instruction every week. So I built a shortcut for you. The writing staircase and the AI coach are linked in the description. If you want to know which level your class is at before you even open ChatGPT, start with the quick assessment, 5 minutes or less per student. You'll know exactly where everyone is. Drop a comment telling me, what's the writing behavior you see most in your struggling students? I read every comment, and I'm building future videos around your real classroom questions. Remember, model, guide, and write. See you in the next video.